Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds training series. Today we'll explore how TMX Agentic Finance enables cross-border payments for banks using agentic AI and stablecoin rails without forcing banks to rebuild their infrastructure. We'll cover how banks can run cross-border payments through crypto rails while keeping their existing app and core systems. You also see how TMX provides one secure connection that abstracts wallets, fiat conversion, custody, and blockchain execution behind a single gateway. Today, cross-border payments move through correspondent chains that take 1 to 3 business days. Its intermediary add costs and operational steps. Customers cannot clearly track where their funds are. FX handling is fragmented across desks and systems. The root problem is infrastructure. Legacy systems cannot easily plug into modern crypto rails, and rebuilding internally can take years. On the left side, we can see that traditional transfers depend on correspondent banks and manual processes. Settlement takes 1 to 3 days. Customers must navigate separate portals and manual forms. FX is handled manually by treasury desks, and compliance logging is often separate and manual. Deployment can take 12 to 18 months of custom development. On the TMX side, we can see that settlement happens in minutes to hours through stablecoin rails. The customer interacts in natural language inside the bank's existing app. Wallets are created automatically with no seed presses or crypto knowledge required. Fiat conversion is automated across more than 150 currencies through Do. Gas fees are abstracted and visible, so every action is logged automatically and immutably. Deployment takes 16 to 20 weeks instead of multi-years rebuilds. All third-party connections are routed through one secure MCP gateway. TMX Agentic Finance is an AI platform for token mines. It sits between the bank's app and the execution layer, including blockchain networks, custody providers, and fiat payment services. The customer experience is simple. The user types what they want inside the bank app. The TMX bank agent reads the request, executes the steps, and confirms when it is complete. So no separate portal, no manual crypto steps, and no blockchain knowledge required. The flow has 4 stages. First, wallet setup. Second, fiat on RAM. Third, stablecoin transfer. And fourth, fiat of RAM at destination. Each step is orchestrated by the AI agent, so the bank connects at one integration point. Everything else is abstracted behind the platform. When a user initiates a transfer, the agent checks if a wallet exists. If not, it provisions one server side through Privy. There's a one-to-one mapping between the bank user ID and the wallet address. Authentication uses the bank's existing JWT and OIDC systems. Private keys are never exposed to the users, so its customer has one persistent wallet that is always ready. This removes crypto friction completely. If the user does not have enough stablecoin balance, the agent calls due. The flow is simple. The agent requests a quote, the FX rate and fee are displayed clearly, the user confirms, fiat converts into USDC or USC, funds land in the user's wallet. Do supports more than 150 currencies and rails such as ACH in the United States, SEPA in Europe, and SWIFT globally. So settlement happens in minutes to hours. Once funded, the agent initiates the transfer. Policy is enforced automatically. Amount limits and recipient whitelists are verified. Gas fees are handled by a gas station network. The user never sees or manages blockchain fees. Every transaction is fully logged. A ready state layer tracks live status. So webhook callbacks confirm delivery, and audit trail stores immutable records. This ensures both operational control and regulatory visibility. At destination, stablecoin is converted back to fiat. The agent requests a real-time FX quote from due. The recipient confirms the rate, and fiat is settled to the local bank account. You can see here that local rails are used per jurisdiction, including PIX in Brazil and FPS in Hong Kong, ACS or RTGS equivalents elsewhere. If the user needs instant access, an optional embedded Stripe card payment can provide immediate funding. TMX Agentic Finance allows cross-border payments to settle on stablecoin timelines instead of correspondent timelines. It runs inside your existing app under your brand, so you integrate once. Wallets, custody, audit, and compliance are protected behind the platform. You maintain banker control through a guardrails control center, including human-in-the-loop approvals, PII redaction, and immutable logging. So if you're ready to modernize cross-border payments without rebuilding your core infrastructure, TMX Agentic Finance provides a clear and controlled path forward. So thank you for watching and see you in the next training video.